So for this shape, we are going to practice rotating the parallelogram 90 degrees clockwise about the origin, but instead of using trace paper or our paper moving around, we're going to be using the rules. So the first thing I need to do is figure out, most of my shape is in quadrant 3, with a little bit hanging out here in quadrant 1. And it's going to be going clockwise, which means it's going to be moving mostly to quadrant 1, because clockwise is going in the same direction as a clock. And so we're expecting our shape to land somewhere in this area. It's always good to predict. So for letters D, E, and G, they're going to be moving from quadrant 2 to quadrant 1, and letter F will be moving from quadrant 1 to quadrant 4. So the first thing I know I need to do is, since I'm only going 90 degrees, I need to rewrite the ordered pairs, but I need to switch X and Y. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I have D prime, and I'm only going to switch the numbers right now, so 7 and 7. E, and I'm only going to switch the numbers 7 and 1. Worry about the signs later. G, I got 4 and 3. And F, I got 4 and 3 also. Okay, so I know that for D, E, and G, they were in quadrant 2, so they were all negative, positive to start. So negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay, and I know that they'll all be landing in quadrant 1, which is positive, positive. So I'm going to leave D as is, 7, 7, E, 7, 1, and G, 4, 3, because they're going to be in this quadrant. F started out as positive, positive. F, however, is moving to quadrant 4, where X is positive and Y is negative. So I'm going to make X positive, but I'm going to make Y negative right here. And I'm going to go ahead and just plot my new ordered pairs. So I have 7, 7 for the D prime, and then E I have 7, 1, E prime, and then for G it looks like I have positive 4, positive 3, and for F it looks like I'm going to be positive 4, negative 3 down here. So connecting the dots. All right, there we go. So we have a 90 degrees clockwise about the origin rotation, and we just use the rules to do that.